Hi, welcome to Sims. Today's sum. Solve 5 into x plus 1 minus 2 into x minus 7 is equal to 13. Let's see the solution. Here given equation is 5 into x plus 1 minus 2 into x minus 7 is equal to 13. This 5 into x plus 1 minus 2 into x minus 1 is a LHS and 13 is RHS. So, you find the LHS is equal to RHS. So, then the find x value. See here 5 multiple x. 5 multiple x is 5x plus 5 into 1 5 minus 2 into x is 2x minus into minus plus. Here 2 7s are 14 is equal to 13. Okay. Next. Here 5x and minus 2x. 5x minus 2x plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 13. 5x minus 2x is 3x plus into plus 5 plus 14 is 19 is equal to 13. Add both sides minus 19. Add both sides minus 19. See 3x plus 19 minus 19 is equal to 13 minus 19. Here 3x plus 19 minus 19 then cancelled. So 3x is equal to 13 minus 19 is 6. Here bigger number before a symbol is negative. So minus 6. So here 3x is equal to minus 6. 3 here multiple with x. So this 3 move to right hand side, then divide the 6. So x is equal to minus 6 by 3. Here 3 is cancelled in 6. How many times? 2 times. So x is equal to 2. Here symbol is minus. So x is equal to minus 2 is the solution. X value is minus 2. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.